Hi beautiful ladies, I want to explain step by step how I use Miracle Gold Line for 4C hair and how you get a famous Dominican blow dry. I wash her hair 3 times and I leave in the conditioner 10 minutes in the hair dry. After that, I use the hair treatment drops and leave-in conditioner, and I did a small section before I start to do hair blow dry. So with this product, you can get a famous Dominican blow dry, soft, shine, healthy, and beautiful hair. In this video, she has 4C hair that is curly with very tight curls. So with this product, my client's hair is super soft, shine, and straight for 2 or more than 2 weeks. So thank you for seeing my video. You can get all my product on my TikTok shop. You can get the drops, you can get the leave-in condition, shampoo, and condition from my TikTok shop. So see you later, and I hope you like my video. See you soon. Bye bye.